back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a perm set. If you are new, welcome. Please like and subscribe. So today we already shampooed her and then we blew her out because she wanted her ends trimmed. And honestly, when you do any type of rod set and you do it like you blow dry your hair first, it definitely creates more volume earlier on in the process rather than when you do it just wet. It takes longer time for your hair to get volume. That's perfectly fine, but if you want like almost instant volume or like 2-day volume, then this would be a best way to go. So the first thing I do is put mousse if I would get this rod on there. Okay, so the first thing I do is of course section the hair, and then I use L&L's mousse. It's such a great mousse. It's light. Your hair feels so light and soft after, and just smooth that on there, and then just however you do your perm rod is how you do your perm rod. I showed y'all in my previous video on how I actually do my perm rod. And I start at the end and I just wrap it, and I have my fingers pulling it. That just creates tension and it lets the curl hold better to me. If you would like to purchase this product, you can buy it on gemelloshairgallery.com. It's GEMELOS hairgallery.com. I love spelling out the salon. I don't know why I do. But this motion is just repetition. I just do the same thing all around her head. I sectioned her into 3 sections. So, her back section and her front too. So, if she wanted the side part, I would have parted in the side, but she wanted the middle. So, that's what we did. So, for the remaining of this section, I'm going to play some music. So, please enjoy it. So now it's time to take them out. She sat under the dryer for, I believe, 1 hour and 45 minutes, and her hair was perfectly fine. So, it's so easy to take them out. You just pop the thing off and unwind. Honestly, don't be too rough. Don't do too much. Just take them out. And, as you're taking them out, you can already see what they're going to be, and you just let them fall wherever you want them to fall. Oh, they're so pretty. So now I'm just going to keep doing this. For most of the remainder of the video, I am going to separate her curls after I do this. But I think I'll stop for a second and take pictures or get on TikTok or something for her hair. So you're going to see that. But I'm just taking the rest of her rods out and then we're going to separate it. So if you want to, just skip to the part of the separation. I'll add the time on here. So every single curl I try to smooth out before, and then I don't like to extremely fluff their hair out because I'm y'all gonna go home and do this yourself. I personally don't like fluffing my clients' hair too much while they're in the salon because I feel like it takes away from them. So I like for them to do that on their own time, and just make it look how they want to. What I tell them for real is make sure you get your pick and you fluff your roots and stuff. That's the best part to me.